Hello everyone, this is Ben. Welcome aboard the Crypto Arc Bybit. I'm here to bring you another exciting session of the product launch event and review session. We got many exciting new features, new product that's coming up. As well, we're gonna be looking at some of the achievement improvement that we did previously over the last 6 months since we last talked. So Bybit here is to listen, care, improve, and to leave no crypto believers behind. Before we go into the product review session, I want to walk the audience through what is the Bybit vision and what's our mission. Our vision is to be the crypto arc of the world. We understand that crypto is very difficult and also very hard to navigate through, especially now it's the Web3. There are many challenges, many things that, especially for new user, is hard to understand. So Bybit as the exchange, our goal is to give you the familiar feel, the product and the service you are used to, and the service with professional people that guide you through to explore the world of Web3. And also you can take advantage of what the world of Web3 can offer. Whether you're after the financial freedom, whether you're after the tech innovation, whether you are using crypto to hedge a risk, either it's your local fiat or because of the pandemic. But we are here to build a adoption-ready products to help our users to go into the world of crypto. Our mission is to empower crypto believers to achieve their dreams. Like I just mentioned, everyone comes into crypto with a goal. Our job is to guide you through and help you to achieve that dream. We have a team of very passionate people that focus on building the products that you need to onboard our users there and also give the best services, the world-class services to help you achieve your dreams. So if you look at Bybit, our mobile app or our website, we actually have a full line of products from fiat on-ramps to spot, now to derivatives, to the latest announced option products. We want to be the one-stop shop the moment you think about crypto. So we position ourselves to be the ARC as well as the super app that serves all crypto believers. Anything you need within crypto, we will offer. And later on, we're going to go through also some of the exciting new stuff that we are going to be presenting to you today. On top of the product releases, there had been many exciting news recently happened with Bybit. One of the biggest announcements was that our handshake with the UAE regulators. We are now officially regulated for our global business through the UAE license. And we are also moving our headquarters to UAE. We're currently renovating our global offices there. Once it's ready, we'll welcome our clients and VIP users and our partners to visit our office in Dubai. On top of that, we are very extremely lucky that we have partnered with one of the best Formula One teams, the Red Bull Oracle teams, and they have been achieving amazing results this season. For sure, we have full confidence they will win the championship this year. So we're very fortunate to team up with the Red Bull team, and we are the largest crypto principal sponsor of that. Throughout the whole year, we actually did quite a bit of events in Monaco and throughout different races. We will always invite our VIP and partners to join us on the racing tracks. Bybit is our continued focus to bring you the next level product and services and overall user experience. One of the main areas we always focus on was customer support, and we are very proud in the best service that we provide in the industry standard. Currently, on any Bybit site, if you click on the customer support button, we'll be able to service you within 1 minute. I believe this is one of the best in the industry, and also our support agent is always there to solve any of your problem that you need. On top of that, reliability is that users requires the most from an exchange, and Bybit is very proud in our reliability. Ever since we launched in 2018, we've never had any major downtimes. All of our updates and maintenance are completed without the users feeling it on the behind. So our server had been online and running, and our order books has been running ever since the inception of Bybit. The third one of the reasons I think a lot of people choose Bybit is because of the liquidity. If you look at our order book, it's very vibrant and it has a lot of players, whether through retails or institutions. All of the major institutions are currently connected and working with Bybit. So whether it's our spot market or our derivative market, and now to the option market, we do have the best liquidities in the world. That means when you trade on the Bybit venue, the slippage is less and it will cost you less, and also you'll be able to buy bigger size on the Bybit book. So now I'm going to go walk you through our achievement, improvement we did over the past 6 months. One of the few key milestones I would like to share first, number one is we're actually now serving more than 10 million users globally from more than 160 countries. We currently on the Bybit website and also the mobile app supports 16 different languages. And in case you didn't know, Bybit is the top 3 most visited crypto exchange in the world. We have been in the top 3 very consistently throughout the last whole year. Bybit is very retail focused. This is why retail users choose and loves Bybit. And through our traffic, you can see that we are very globally based. One of the key initiatives over the last 6 months that we pushed out was the country model. We truly believe in globalization through localizations. So the Bybit product and service should look and feel differently when we are talking about a Japanese user compared to, let's say, a Brazilian users, because each audience and clients use different on-ramps. They have different preferences on the products and offerings, such as spot pairs, derivative pairs, or even the earn products that are quite different. And this is why we actually set up local teams to service our local users and collecting the local feedbacks and improving the local side to look and feel a bit different than the global ones. So we currently already established 12 country managers or country teams, and we've seen a 5 times quarterly growth on average through these local regions. Clients are now feeling that we actually have a presence in these regions, and for sure we'll be expanding this model and increase our service and products to more local regions. As you can see on the screen, there had been a lot of growth in these key regions as we improve our product and services to the local taste. One of the key focus of the Bybit people is to deliver you the best in product service. We want to be the crypto arc. So we have to be here to get feedbacks from our communities and work on those feedbacks, as our company module is listen, care, improve. So we actually have many different ways to collect user experience, not only user feedbacks, not only through customer support, but also we have the NPS scoring system, is that when you finish using our product or during the using stage, we ask you, would you recommend this to one of your friends? What are some of the reasons? So we've collected these feedbacks and been working on these feedbacks constantly. Also, I have the monthly AMA session where we record all the clients. I think we've listed a few of the kiosks on the screen here, and you can see how we have actually implemented these features already onto Bybit. Apart from listening, Bybit also work with local communities and blockchain communities for hackathon events to really help the young developers, especially also the younger projects. Bybit works with BUIDL, a team of very passionate and professional people, on these key initiatives. We actually organized a few hackathons and also through some workshops and received overwhelmingly positive feedbacks. Improving is something we focus on, and as you can see on the screen, over the past 6 months, we have really drove down our user experience and making sure that all these key features are improved. As you can see, we have more than 6,000 new features being implemented onto Bybit. Actually, on a daily basis, there are new versions being pushed to improve or fix existing bugs or to release new products. As you can see, a lot of these optimizations to do with the peak volume or the smoothness of the mobile app, readjustment on the homepage, and also key features on the mobile app that's being updated constantly. And if you look at these key numbers, is really what matters to the user experience, to give you the overall smoothness of the Bybit product. Fiat on-ramps are becoming a very crucial part of the product line of Bybit offerings. On a daily basis, we have many clients using Bybit fiat on-ramps to exchange their fiat into crypto, whether it's USDT or Bitcoin or Ethereum. This was launched about 6 months ago. Very initial stage, we only offers some credit card capabilities. But now we have P2P credit card as well as local bank transfer capabilities available to all of our clients. When it comes to fiat on-ramps, it's very regional specific. So we are working on more and more regions, especially with the local teams, to offer you the local banks, whether it's Alipay, WeChat Pay, this type of very local friendly on-ramps solutions, so that our users having a more easier way to on-ramp and get involved into crypto. So fiat on-ramps is something we have been working very hard on. And as you can see from the numbers, the result has been growing very significantly. Our credit card on-ramps had been very hot, and we actually service more than 30 different currencies in over 280 countries. So the moment you have a Master or Visa or any type of credit card in your region, you'll be able to directly use your credit card to make deposit onto Bybit. We currently support more than 17 different tokens in exchange using your credit card, and this has proven to be very popular, especially for many different local users. As you can see, we've listed all these pairs. On top of the credit card, we also offers fiat local deposit methodologies. As you can see listed on the screen, we support not only banks, but also local on-ramp solutions, working with the on-ramp providers directly to make your life easier to make deposits through the fiats. There had been a lot of new products and updates in the Bybit spot market. Our spot market was launched over a year ago, and that really bring out the whole ecosystem play of Bybit. Prior to that, we were only a derivative exchange. But now, with the increasing popularity of the Bybit spot market, we are becoming the full-on suite of exchange. And you can see for our top pairs, we do have the best liquidity in the world. And from our growing volume, thanks to the support of all the clients, Bybit Spot is becoming one of the major players in the market. And we've been working on the user satisfaction. We managed to achieve a growth in our user section from 71% to 79%. And we will continue to work on that as we list more products and offer more pairs to trade on our spot market. Here are some of the key figures and key features of the Bybit Spot to give you an overall look of the current Bybit spot market. One of the key products we recently launched was the Buy Vote. Buy Vote is we give the power of listing to our community. So we will list out the pairs that you want spot market to list, and you'll be able to participate through the voting process. So far, until now, we already have more than 100,000 participants voting for their favorite projects or token to be listed on Bybit. I believe there have been quite a few pairs that's been listed through the Buy Vote, and it's becoming very popular in our community. On top of that, overall, we have 260 trading pairs already on our spot market. And if you think about it, we've only launched this over a year ago. It's quite a bit of a token listings that Bybit did. On the Bybit spot market, for any token to be listed, we don't charge any extra fees or listing fees. We purely listen to either our community or we look at the projects, whether they're going to create a value or not. So if you are a project, you're welcome to list and apply your token to be listed on Bybit. Our Launchpad and also Launchpool had also been very popular. Launchpool are designed for launching new tokens that had never been listed anywhere else in the world. We help them to do the first launch. Currently, we have already more than 800,000 clients participated in our Launchpad and close to 400,000 people participating in our Launchpool events. So far, we've launched 14 projects on the Launchpad. A lot of them have been quite successful, again, thanks for the support of our communities. On top of that, cross-margin is something many clients have been asking and requesting. We're happy to say that we'll be able to list out the cross-margin function very soon. One of the other products which is built on the spot market, really worth mentioning, is the grid trading bot. This bot has only been live on Bybit, both mobile app and also our website for a little over a month ago, but it has been so popular. A lot of clients especially love the bot, the copy trading function, be able to copy other people's bot, and especially in this market current situations, the grid bot really helps you to trade 24/7 as you set the requirements. And the grid bot is actually based on the spot market. We're also going to be releasing a version of the derivative grid trading bot very soon. Now let's take a look at the Bybit famous futures product line. This is the flagship products. A lot of people choose Bybit because of our linear contracts, because of our perpetual contracts or expiration contracts. Here is the overview of our futures team. Currently, we have the DAUT, daily active trader, of more than 200,000 people trading on Bybit. Our daily trading volume on average is more than $10 billion. We've recently increased our capacity to be able to list pairs in a very fast manner. And that's why you can see on our USDT perpetual, we have 172 pairs. On our inverse perpetual, we have 14 pairs. Recently, we've announced and released a few more products that is based on the future's capability. And this is something that we're going to be continually working on, because we believe that for many users, they're not just born to be a trader. So people require trading tools to help them. One of the key trading tools we released is copy trading. Currently, it's still in the kind of demo and gray testing area stage, but we will be fully launch it very soon onto our mobile app, and also with a lot more master traders and signals that people can copy trading with. On top of that, we also released MT4, the Bybit MetaTrader 4. This is especially user-friendly for the Forex traders. If you have your EA, you're used to MT4, you can now connect directly to the Bybit MT4 and place trade. And we do offer the best spread in the market for any crypto pairs, and also the best liquidity in our MT4. So if you haven't checked it out, do check it out. Other than that, we actually recently released a few more USDC pairs, but we're going to put a lot more emphasis on the USDC and release a lot more pairs. Other than that, for institutions and especially VIP users, we've been giving them OTC on the lending and the borrowing side of the stories, so they can actually trade more and provide better liquidity on the Bybit Futures team. One last key update, and it's extremely important, is the unified margin account. We currently have USDT, Inverse, and USDC product lines, but we are soon going to merge all of that into a unified margin account, meaning that you can use any tokens you choose as margin and to trade any of our futures product lines. So this way, traders will have a lot more better utilization of their margins, and you don't have to have the native tokens such as USDT to trade USDT perps. You can use USDC or even Ethereum to trade USDT perps. This is one of the key features that's coming up very soon.
Cut through the noise with Bybit SharkFin, a principal-guaranteed low-risk investment for you to hodl and earn, no matter how the market moves. Choose between 7, 14, and 21-day plans to decide when you want to redeem your earnings. If the price falls within your expected range when the plan is up, you'll enjoy up to 20% annual percentage rate. If it doesn't, you'll still get a guaranteed minimum yield on top of your principal investment. It doesn't matter if the market goes up or down, your crypto holdings will still grow. With Bybit SharkFin, a low-risk, principal-protected investment you can make today. Bybit, next level trading.
Hi guys, thank you Ben for the introduction of SharkFin products. My name is Hao and I'm the head of options at Bybit. The next two things I want to talk about is two major product offerings and innovations we have done in Bybit. First of all, the unified margin account system. So with this account system, you are able to use multiple assets as collaterals to trade both the USDT and USDC products. For example, if a Bitcoin in your account, then you will be able to enter a position in either USDT products or USDC products. Also, the profit and losses from these products will be able to offset each other. In this way, your capital efficiency and trading flexibility is greatly increased. The next, obviously, is our options offerings. We have listed our options in April, and we are already the second biggest options marketplace. And we are the only marketplace to offer USDC margin and USDC priced options. We're offering Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana options, all settling in one account system. You will also enjoy the portfolio margin risk system, meaning you will enjoy risk offsetting positions, and you will be able to pay less margin on your positions. You're also able to trade in block trading functionality, meaning with just one click of a button, you will be able to enter multi-leg option trades. Thank you, and now I will be passing the time back to Ben.
Now let's talk about Bybit Earn, a product that many users love. Bybit Earn is a high-yield product suite that allows our users to grow their crypto portfolios or holdings with minimal barriers to entry. And it's really working like a banking product. We currently have flexible savings, meaning that if you're not trading your token, however, you'll be able to trade and utilize on your asset, you can leave it on a Bybit flexible and earn a pretty decent yield on the flexible terms. Also, we have the fixed term products such as the fixed savings product, whether it's a 7 days or a month or a few months, where you earn a relatively higher yield on that. On top of that, we also offer some of the private banking products such as dual asset, Sharkfin, even helping users now explore into Web3 DeFi, such as the liquidity mining product. The trading auto bot is also under Bybit Earn. So it's really kind of an area for you to park your asset, and we give you also the tools to be able to trade and make some yield. So it's kind of a yield center. On the screen, you can see many numbers and all the achievements we've achieved so far the first half of the year. Here, all the numbers are completely transparent and also accurate. We want to give you the numbers so that you can see for yourself. Now, since we talked about the Grid Trading Bot, why don't we bring out the designer and the product manager of the Grid Trading Bot to give you a more rundown and more detailed explanation on how the Grid Trading Bot is working and how you can utilize it to make your trading better and generate higher yield. Let's invite Bill to come over.
Hey guys, I'm Bill, a product manager at Bybit. Bybit has launched so many new products for you this year. I'm very excited to show you this video.
10 reasons why you should use GridBot. GridBot is free. GridBot never sleeps. Make your money work for you. Earn money 24/7 even while you sleep. GridBot has autofill functions, selects all parameters for you using past 30 days data. It is likely to outperform a randomly created bot. Flexible settings. Set your own price range if you think the price of an asset will likely bounce between this lower and higher limit. Remember, GridBot works best when price fluctuates. No new orders will be placed if price falls outside of this range. More grids means smaller price intervals means higher efficiency. Fewer grids means larger price intervals means less efficiency. Our backtesting shows that a profit or grid of approximately 1% works best. Never enter a losing trade. Grid profit will always be positive because GridBot automatically factors in trading fees, so you will never make a trade where your profits are lower than Bybit's trading fees. Trade with peace of mind. Hooray! Full transparency. View your open positions and history with full transparency. Shareable GridBot. Share your bots with your viewers and get them to sign up with Bybit and use GridBot together. Take profits anytime. End your GridBot and take profits whenever you want. Plus, you get to withdraw in the currency of your choice. Helpful community. Join our Discord group to request for help and also to learn and share different GridBot strategies. Copy from your peers. Not sure what to do? You can view the leaderboard and simply copy someone's GridBot settings.
We have launched the Spot GridBot in June, allowing users to automate their buy and sell orders and capitalize on the volatility in this 24/7 market. Another product that we have launched is copy trading. Check this video out.
Confident in your skills as a trader? Bybit Copy Trading is a simple and transparent tool that offers everyone a reliable way to grow their earnings. If you're a seasoned crypto trader, you can become a principal trader with us, allowing others to follow and subscribe to your trade signals. You'll then receive 10% of the net profit earned from anyone following your winning trades, one of the highest commissions on the market. To qualify, you'll need to fulfill the following requirements. Complete KYC Level 1. Ensure that you're not following any principal traders. You'll need to fill out an application with screenshots of your derivatives trading records on any crypto exchange platform, information on your social media profiles, number of followers, and crypto communities, if any. And lastly, screenshot of your personal trading profits and performance. From our page, click on Become a Principal Trader, then Apply Now. Once your application is successful, opening your first trade is easy. Click on User Center Principal and Transfer to make a deposit. All your copy trades will be funded directly through your copy trading account, so you'll need to transfer assets in. Back on the copy trading page, click on Initiate Trade. Here, you'll be able to fill in the details of your trade, including setting your take profit and stop loss levels. You can customize your desired leverage for each trading pair under Leverage in User Center Principal. Once you're satisfied, click on Initiate Trade to confirm. A confirmation window will appear. Double-check that the details are correct before clicking Initiate Now. You've successfully placed your first order. You'll be able to review all your copy trades under the Principal Trader account. At the right, under Operation, click on Close or Close All under All or By Contract to close your copy trades. Please note that multiple copy trades in the same direction for one trading pair can be closed with one click via Close All. A confirmation window will appear. Confirm that the trade you want to close is correct before clicking Close Now. That's it! Remember, the more followers you have, the more profits you'll earn. So lead your team with thoughtful and sound trading strategies. Bybit, next level trading.
Don't know how to trade by yourself? No problem. Copy trading allows you to follow the winning moves of principal traders who have demonstrated the ability to profit based on historical data. Follow Bybit's YouTube channel for more videos. Also, catch me on our monthly AMAs with Ben. See you guys soon. I will pass the time now to Kate.
Thanks, Bill, for the introduction. Hi, everybody. My name is Kate, and I'm from Business Development Department. Special hi to my clients and affiliates. Bybit NFT Marketplace was launched in January this year. Since then, we have 560,000 registered users. 45,000 are actively trading and transacting on daily basis, and we've managed to achieve the trading volume of 8.6 million USDT. Mystery boxes listed on Bybit NFT Marketplace have been gone within seconds, and here are 3 projects that we've been able to launch so far. We had Zana mystery boxes gone in 12 seconds. Kishu Inu mystery boxes were gone within 15 seconds. And we also launched the Oracle Red Bull Racing's first ever play seat auction in Monaco GP, where the winner won the physical play seat as well as NFT play seat. Next up, here are some NFT projects that we already launched, and also some new upcoming projects that we are excited to share with you. That's all from me. Back to you, Ben.
Now let's move on to the most exciting part of today's presentation, is what's next. What are the products that's coming? What is our future plan? And where is the crypto arc is selling off to? I think we will start from some of the key features that's coming very soon. Number one is on top of our fiat on and off ramps capabilities, we'll be able to offer fiat pairs very soon. For fiat pairs, clients can deposit their fiat and hold it onto Bybit, and you have the choice to switch into crypto or off to fiat in our mobile app. So these are some of the pairs we plan to offer initially, but sure, we will be adding more fiat trading pairs as we go. On top of the fiat pairs that we're going to offer, we are going to fully utilize our fiat on and off ramps and increase our capability there, as you can see on the screen. For our fiat on and off ramp capabilities, we are also working with a lot more banks through the local express transfers directly in and out. And so these are some of the capabilities we'll be releasing very soon. One of the key initiatives Bybit is going to focus on is to embrace the USDC ecosystem and help USDC to broaden its utilization globally. Bybit is working very closely with Circle. We are one of the major partners to support the USDC adoption globally. So we are going to be focusing a lot more on the USDC derivative pairs, and we will be able to release a lot more USDC perps in the months to come. On top of USDC pairs, we're also talking to many market makers and institutions of Bybit to increase and bootstrap the USDC liquidities. So in the coming months, you'll be able to see the USDC liquidity really becoming stronger. On top of the USDC, our option is also based on USDC contracts. So with that liquidity increase, our option marketplace will also have a lot more activities going on. With our option, we already have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana pairs. We are looking to offer more linear pairs on the option markets. Bybit is becoming a very significant player in the option markets. Currently, it's the second in the world, but we're gunning for the first as we grow. With the USDC release, the linear option release, and our focus to release more USDC pairs, along with that is our portfolio and unified margin system. The unified margin system is something I just mentioned. You'll be able to use different pairs, tokens to trade all of our pairs, use it as margin. The portfolio margin is another system where you can actually trade perps as well as utilize your unrealized P&L to trade option and to trade all the trading products on Bybit as one big portfolio. And this is extremely useful for users as well as institutions. Now, this is something very exciting. We are going to release our first Bybit Card very soon. This means any users using currently the Bybit product and service, you'll be able to apply for your own debit card. Currently, I think we're going to go with MasterCard, meaning that at any venue that supports MasterCard spendings, you'll be able to use the Bybit Card. But what does it mean? It means that you'll be able to use your USDC stable coins directly on Bybit and to spend it for food or shopping or restaurant, like any debit card that supports MasterCard service. And this is going to be accepted globally. And I know this has been a many ask from our clients. With this, we're also going to incorporate our Bybit Card to Bybit Earn, meaning that you can actually enjoy the flexible savings products while you keep your tokens with us or your fiat with us and be able to directly spend. This is something very exciting and very cool. So that's coming very soon. Some other key features of the Bybit Card is that we're going to offer a very unique rewards for our cardholders. Of course, it comes with all the airport and the hotel privilege. That's very common with any credit card. However, on top of that, we will offer VIP services on our card. You'll be able to earn tokens, you'll be able to earn bonuses, you'll be able to get fee rebates, and many different NFT airdrops, even be able to get to participate one of our Red Bull racing events through the card spending reward system. So this is something in the works, and it will be released alongside with the Bybit Card. So by the time you will be able to apply for the Bybit Card, you will see a members area with all the VIP product and service and special perks that's offered to all of our VIP users. Another really cool and amazing function that's coming up is crypto loans. This is something a lot of more users has been asking, whether through spot or through futures. We are going to implement this and release this very soon. So any users will be able to collateralize your altcoins to stable coins. We understand that it's currently a bear market. You probably don't want to sell your Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, you need the loans to be able to let you trade and enjoy other products and services. So we will be able to offer that functions. Soon, we'll also be able to recognize NFTs and also other assets that's on the platform for you to take a loan. And these loans are actually 100% withdrawable with the best in the industry competitive interest rates. On top of the product offering that we are going to release, we're also going to participate and offer a lot more activities and events for our community. We want to reach deeper to our communities, collect their feedbacks, and also be able to incubate and help crypto believers to achieve their dreams. So on the screen, you can see these are some of the plans and the works that we have coming up. A lot of them are very interesting. If you have time, do check them out. It is our vision to be the crypto arc. So how do we onboard users into the exciting world of Web3 and how to make their life easier to onboard is one of the key focus on Bybit. So we're actually working on a Web3 aggregator. This aggregator will show user a very easy one-page information to explain what is Web3 all about. Whether it's DeFi, whether it's DeFi mining, whether it's GameFi, whether it's NFT, or the latest, hottest token or projects, or the swap function, all of that will be built into this Bybit version of Web3 aggregators. We're also going to combine with tutorials to explain what's exciting about Web3, what profits to be made, or what exciting new games to be played. We will offer also very easy on-ramps through our Web3 aggregator. One of the key products to really help users onboard and into this aggregator is our Bybit Web3 wallet. This is something to be released also alongside of the Web3 aggregator. Our Web3 wallet is going to be focusing on a few things. Number one is to make the whole journey as smooth as possible, as easy as possible. The whole wallet design is almost same as the Bybit registration. It takes about 10 seconds that you'll be able to get your wallet, but it has so many tools. All right, one of the biggest challenges we've seen from many users, especially new users, is they don't know how to work with MetaMask or this type of completely decentralized wallet. On the Bybit Web3 wallet, we will combine centralization, perps, all the tools we can offer, such as take profit, stop loss on your minings, easy control on your access of the tokens, cross-chain, easy spending from one chain to another. A lot of the key other features that we want to support, especially trading tools and also navigation tools built into this wallet. So this is something very exciting to be released alongside of the aggregator. And I think it will make life a lot more easier for our users to first onboard onto Web3. NFT is a crucial part of the Web3, and Bybit do have our own NFT marketplace. I'm now going to invite one of the core persons from our NFT team to tell you what's upcoming from our NFT marketplace. Cici, over to you.
Yeah, thanks, Ben. Hello, everyone. I'm Cici from Bybit NFT team. It's so excited to announce that we have launched our new grad pay program on Bybit NFT Marketplace, where you can buy high-quality NFTs at very low prices and have chance to earn through trading in the secondary market. It will provide zero gas fee trading experience, safe and stable centralized minting solution for projects and users. More new features are coming, such as the NFT statuses, burning, etc. Please stay tuned and welcome you to join our Bybit NFT Marketplace and our community. Thanks. I will pass the time back to Ben.
Thank you, Cici, for the NFT update. All right, guys, this is the end of our product review session. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Bybit will continue to work on our A game by sailing through the Web3 and decentralization on the crypto arc. Thank you. Bye-bye.